Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make a clap counter by using a calculator. These are the materials required to make this project. Firstly, take a calculator and remove the back cover. Locate the two traces on the circuit board which connects with the equals to key. Solder two wires onto these two traces. And cover it back. Then solder the components on the PCB as per this circuit diagram. Now we will make a case for this circuit. For that, cut out the cardboard pieces of size as shown. Then hot glue all the pieces to make a box. Connect the remaining two wires of the calculator with the output of this circuit. At last, give some final touch to it. With this, our clap counter is ready. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more such videos.